Once you activate the software, you'll receive a welcome kit. The following items are included in the welcome kit for your Greenzie equipped mower. A soft cloth rag for wiping down the lenses as needed in dusty environments. Note that the system will pause and alert if it cannot see the ground plane or is detecting false obstacles too close to the mower. Rain-X wipes, ideal for wiping down the lenses of the robotic cameras to keep them dry when mowing during rain. You'll receive laminated quick start guides for startup and shutdown operation procedure, both in English and in Spanish. You'll receive an extra charging cable for the remote control for extended charging, along with a cigarette lighter adapter for charging in a vehicle. Subject to availability, you may also receive the coveted Greenzie hat and Yeti koozie. There are also a blocker, which is a pop-up blocker. This is very good for obstacle detection. You can put this over small things that you want the mower to go around. There is also a USB battery, which will allow you to plug this in and keep the remote charged. If the remote were to run out of battery, it does have about a day and a half of charge. Now, there may be some more surprises, but know that your Greenzie mower is fully equipped from the dealer and does not require any of these accessories for standard operation. Enjoy!